I'm Kimberly from Fat Quarter Shop, and today we're jumping into this quick quiche quilt. You can download the free Fat Quarter Quiche Quilt pattern exclusively at Fat Quarter Shop. A link is in the description box. This pattern features a layout for a twin, crib, lap, and queen quilt using fat quarters. The fabric you need to make the twin quilt is 12 fat quarters, 4.5 yards of a background and border, 7/8 yard binding, and 5.5 yards backing. We're using the True Love collection by Lella Boutique for Moda Fabrics. After you've gathered your pattern and fabric, let's jump into block assembly. This pattern has a fat quarter cutting diagram on page 1, so if you're making one of the other sizes, make sure you follow the cutting diagram. That's going to give you the most efficient use of your fat quarter. You're going to take matching fabric A and B squares and 2 fabric D backgrounds. You're going to sew them together with a 1/4 inch seam, press, and then add another seam. Your unit will measure 8.5 inches unfinished, and you're going to make 4 from each fat quarter. Now we're going to take the unit we just made, and we're going to attach a fabric E rectangle to the left side. You're going to assemble a fabric C and E rectangle with 1/4 inch seam. Once those are sewn together, then you're going to sew your final seam. This unit is going to measure 10.5 inches unfinished, and you're going to make a total of 4 units per fat quarter. The fat quarter quiche block is going to measure 20.5 inches square, and basically this is 4 of your previous units. So you're going to place 2 units that match, and you're going to reverse the placement, and then you're going to take 2 other blocks that match and reverse the placement, so it gives you a really fun look with the different sizes of squares. The layout for the twin quilt is 3 blocks by 4 blocks. We have a nice border that matches the background in the blocks. We put a nice polka dot on the binding and a light blue floral for our backing. The twin finishes at 68 by 88 inches. I hope you love the fat quarter quiche pattern. It's a great beginner pattern that only uses 12 fat quarters. So if you're in one of our fat quarter clubs, it's great to use for that. It's also great to pull fabrics from your stash. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.